Instagram is rolling out their own creator marketplace. And if you're a creator like me, you've probably seen this coming a mile away. Over the last year or so, head of Instagram, Adam Mosseri, has been saying that they want creators to have more ways to generate income on the platform. They first rolled out badges for live streams. They added a bonus for Instagram Reels plays, which I finally got invited to about 2 months ago, but whatever. And they rolled out a subscription feature so your followers can get access to exclusive content. So it definitely seems like with this latest new monetization feature, they are definitely making good on a promise that they are really trying to help creators make some additional income. So what is the creator marketplace? Basically, the Instagram creator marketplace is a dedicated space where creators can be discovered, connect with brands, and get paid for their partnerships right on the platform. This new feature allows brands and creators to find brand partnerships 10 times easier without having to leave the Instagram app. It actually operates very similar to the TikTok creator marketplace. So how will this creator marketplace work? Once a company has found a creator they would like to work with, through Instagram's new discovery feature, which I will get to in a second, they can message the creator through partnership messaging feature, a feature within the app that keeps partnerships requests separated. From there, brands can send over directly the project details, including necessary deliverables, rates, and facilitate payments. So there will be no need to negotiate with a manager, making it easier than ever for brands and creators to collaborate and earn a living on the platform. Okay, so now I want to break down the 4 main features within the creator marketplace, which are discovery, partnership, messaging, projects, and last but not least, payments. And I'm going to break down how these 4 features actually work. So the first feature is the discovery feature. It can take brands days, sometimes weeks, to find the right influencer that they really want to work with. So this feature is designed to help brands find the right creators faster. It looks like creators can pick their niche or niches that most resonate with the type of content they create, and brands will get a selection of creators to choose from based on how the brand identifies themselves. It's not really clear how this whole process will work, but I'm very interested to see how this plays out in real time. The second feature is the partnership messaging. If you're a person that receives a lot of DMs, you will love this feature. You will have your own separate folder for your brand collaborations, so you will never have to worry about lost opportunities. The third feature is the actual project feature. This is where Instagram will tell you the full scope of work needed for the brand deals. You will always have on hand the project details that you need. And last but not least, the 4th feature is payments, okay? So Instagram wants to help you get paid right on the app itself. You should also be able to track payments as well. So as soon as you complete the project, you can get paid right through Instagram without having to use PayPal or wire transfers or anything like that. Overall, I'm personally excited to see the new creator marketplace roll out, and hopefully it means even more opportunities to help creators like me and you monetize their platforms. So let me know in the comments down below, are you excited for this new feature? And if you're looking to make the most money once this feature rolls out, you need to be growing your personal brand on Instagram the right way. So check out this video right here where I'll show you the best ways to grow your Instagram right now.